Okay, this is sketch. We have the biggest unboxing of the year here, and I set all of this up to show you guys just exactly how insane this is, having 10 packages to open today, 10 packages. But this thing is about to fall down, so I gotta readjust all of this. Anyway, stay tuned. The biggest unboxing of 2019 about to be opened up, guys. It's coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with the biggest sneaker unboxing of 2019, guys. You guys saw that huge tower of shoes we had. Kind of rearranged everything so I can actually like unbox these things without it falling over on me, but it's gonna be crazy, man. Over 10 boxes to open today, and I guess I should get this out of the way. It's not really 10 boxes because one of them is already unboxed. This is actually right here. This isn't a real box. This is a $350, but the reason why this one is already out and why I wanted it in this week's mail time is because I wanted to let you guys know that I'm giving this pair of 350 Yeezys away for free. And the reason why I'm doing this is actually because I was given this pair of Yeezys for free. Now, if you guys caught me on Instagram at Untied Hawaii, I was recently at the Bait Honolulu shop, and what they were doing is they were doing a live raffle for Travis Scott Cactus Jack Air Force One lows, and I entered, you know, and I didn't get those, but what they did that was really cool is they also had like a mini contest, I guess, of whoever was wearing the best sneakers that day, they would get free pairs of shoes. And thankfully, I guess I was wearing the Canary SB Dunk lows, so we ended up winning this one for free. Didn't realize that Bait was gonna do that contest, but it was just really a blessing, man. And the thing with Hawaii is we do this thing where we say support local, right? Because supporting local is important, guys. You want to support your local shops, support small business, because that's where it's at. And I know Bait isn't really like a small business, but Bait Honolulu is its own thing, you know? So I really want to support them, and that's why I didn't want to like keep this prize for myself, even though I could. It's like $300 on the resale market, but I'd rather give it away to you guys. So if you guys want to win this free pair of brand new dead stock semi-frozen yellow, then all you got to do is actually follow bait.honolulu on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram as well at Untied Hawaii, and also subscribe to the channel, guys. And then once you guys are done, comment down below done where you guys are from, and just give a little shout out to Bait Honolulu, guys. Again, this wasn't like a co-sponsored giveaway or anything, and honestly, like, I don't even know the guys at Bait, but I just thought it was really cool what they did, and you know, I wanted to give back to you guys, the Untied Ohana. So feel free to comment down below, do all of that stuff. And now that that is out of the way, I think we can actually start opening up the shoes. Before we get into the shoes, let's open up some clothing first. So first things first, here we have a small bag, actually. This one is from Travis Scott's website. And this was actually a tee that was given for free from Travis Scott, man. That's right, Travis Scott hooked your boy up with free merch, because we know each other personally, man, and we're homies and stuff. But actually, he actually just dropped free merch on his website. I'm not gonna open this one up because I can't fit this. It's actually size small, but I will put it up on the screen over here so you guys can see what it looks like opened up and stuff. This one will also be in the channel members drop for this month. So if you guys wanna pick this up for cheap, and by cheap, I mean literally 20 bucks, head over to channel memberships. You just gotta click the join button, man. Really easy, and then good luck on that drop. Anyway, Travis Scott merch is there. And so all of this is the clothing from the Travis Scott 6 drop. You guys can see that upside down Nike Air branding. Also got a couple tees and stuff from that same drop. Wasn't able to get the shoes, but for some reason I was able to get the clothes. So that was interesting. I know the Travis Scott Jordan 6 drop was like a while back already, but again, because I live in Hawaii, these things take time to get here. So finally picked these up. You guys can see the Nike Air upside down, Cactus Jack, highest in the room over here. I'll probably keep one of the t-shirts, but if you guys need this hoodie and stuff, that will also be on the channel membership drop for this month. All of the Fearless shoes are coming in the same box. So this is a red Nike box, and if you guys check this out over here, this is a pair of the mid Jordan 1 Fearless, and this is the pair of Blue the Greats. So it's an all corduroy upper with a lot of different patchwork on here, but the coolest thing is honestly like this back here on the heel. You can see Blue the Greats logo back here. It's a very like wild color palette. It gives it kind of like a what the look. I know it is a Jordan 1 mid, so not a lot of people will mess with the mids, but this is a very high quality sneaker, and honestly I think it's one of the best ones from that Fearless drop. So very cool pickup right here. Caught this from Sneakers app. So this next sneaker here is actually from Adidas, and this one is a shoe that actually released a while back, but it took a while to get here because it got lost in transit. Yeah, I've been getting messed up with shipping recently. Anyway, this is a pair of Yeezy 500s, but right here we have a pair of the Soft Vision Yeezy 500s. Now, this one is Kind of wild when you guys look at it in person. Very like kind of purple looking shoe. It is in the Yeezy 500 model, which is one of the most comfortable Yeezys, honestly, in my opinion. Really like the 500 model on feet because it does just give a lot of comfort when you guys are wearing it. However, this one is just a little bit too crazy in terms of color for me. That one will be going up on the web store, untiedahawaii.com. Oh, that's what this one is. This one though is a pair of Vapor Streets. Yeah, probably made a mistake here. This looks so terrible. It's like wrapped in plastic. What's going on here? So anyway, I caught this one from SNKRS app. I thought it was a win because it is an off-white, and I was thinking there would be at least a couple bucks to be made on these, but that's not really the case, guys. Like, these things bricked hard. I can see why it bricked hard though. I mean, there's like a lot of like plastic over this shoe. I didn't realize like this whole thing is like literally just plastic on the shoe. It does have that off-white tag over here. This one is made out of like felt, it looks like. Track spikes at the bottom are one thing that kind of like turns people off from this shoe for sure. It's not something that looks very comfortable at all. And also just, I mean, the wildness of this shoe is a little bit too much. So, I mean, if you guys are into off-white or you guys are into crazy sneakers, this is probably a good one for you guys. Dang, this box is crazy. What? Oh man, this is insane. I didn't know the box was custom too. This is a pair of Air Force Ones. Both side panels have their like own custom art. Oh my gosh, that's so sick. Even over here, you guys can see custom branded paper. It has like Korean writing on top of it. Wow, these are actually really fire in hand. I didn't realize like how intricate this design is. Apparently G-Dragon is like the biggest thing in South Korea right now. So I don't know, I thought it would be a good reseller, but this is probably a personal pair collection now, guys. It says G-Dragon artist, titled the Nike One Paranoise, Just Do It 1988, and also Peace Minus One, which is I believe the record label for this guy. Now you guys can see over here on the sole, it's like marked up and scuffed up on purpose. That's part of the look of the shoe. Even on the bottom of the soles over here is also scuffed up, and I didn't realize like that was part of the design because I only saw the side panels over here. Rest of the shoe is like standard black leather. You guys can check out these laces too, which are actually very thick laces. Also has that little like daisy up here on the top. Inside you guys can see Peace Minus One, which is kind of sick in there. Just added extra stuff. What's cool is that actually when you guys rub down this sneaker, it has like art and stuff underneath. You guys can check out what the finished product looks like up here. Some people like that better. I think this looks better as it is, so hopefully it won't scuff it up too bad. This is a pair from GoDap actually, and this one is a pair of Air Force Ones again. This one is a pair that I've hyped up in a previous video quite a bit because this is a pair of the Air Force One What the LAs. I talked about this in a previous video where I said that this shoe is actually gonna be a huge reseller like later down the road, and you guys can see why. If you guys didn't watch that video, this is what the LA looks like. Obviously like a lot of different color patterns up here, a lot of different materials used, and just a very unique shoe with that LA branding on the back. Copped another one of these for the low. I believe I copped this for like 300 bucks from GOAT. They already went up in value again, so I think I made a good decision on this. Silly Untied, man. You really messed up on this. Two pairs of the Vapor Streets from SNKRS app. Yay, we did it. We copped 2 brick off-whites. Yeah, this is a yellow one. I'm not even gonna put it on the camera, guys. It is what it is. It's the exact same thing. Again, I thought I got super lucky hitting 2 off-whites on SNKRS app. Not really, not at all actually. This one is better than that blue one though, I'm gonna say that much. Boost on the side and a 380 on top. This one is a size 4.5. Oh, first time seeing it in hand. It's unique, all right. It is unique. This is a pair of the Yeezy 380 Aliens that recently just released. This is the first of Kanye's 380 line. Nicknamed the Alien because it has like an alien kind of look to it, or at least what we think aliens look like. A lot of gray on here, a lot of white as well. Kind of looks a little bit freaky with all of these holes and stuff. Does look like there is Boost technology in there, so that is very dope. Bottoms, again, look kind of freaky. They're a little bit more textured, which is better than the original 350 V2s. So at least you'll get more traction on here. That's actually a really good sign. Copped this one from Yeezy Supply on their surprise drop. I don't know how, but I was really lucky and I got in super fast. So I actually copped the money size, which is size 4.5. So really stoked over there. Not sure if girlfriend wants this yet, so we'll see. She probably won't, man. It's kind of This is kind of nuts. And that is it, guys. We finished the biggest unboxing of the year. Thank you guys for sitting in with me when I do these unboxings. And again, don't forget to enter that giveaway for the free pair of semi-frozen yellows. Thank you again to Bait Honolulu for doing what you guys do, man. Like, Hawaii doesn't have very many like hype shops, or actually we don't have any hype shops, like mainstream shops. And Bait is one of the first ones that are like actually bringing like Travis Scott's to Hawaii and stuff. And that's like a really big thing. If you guys are from Hawaii, you guys know exactly what I mean. We kind of get overlooked on a lot of stuff. It's tough out here for sneakerheads, but that's why I respect Bait Honolulu. So again, go to the description, check out all the rules and stuff to enter. Free pair to you guys. Not in collaboration with Bait, just want to show them love for showing Hawaii love. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!